Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the gear selector lever on my Mk2 GTI because mine is, well, it's shit. Hopefully it should be fairly straightforward, so we'll get her on the ramps, get underneath her and have a look. This is Mk2 Golf Stories, let's go.
No, not for something under it first.
It's not even that low.
Whoa, there. What fucking hell, you've got your bumper off.
So we've sacked off the ramps and gone for this nice hydraulic axle stand instead. Yeah, a bit easier and no more slipping. It's not my fault I can't drive up ramps, I swear. So the first thing we're going to do is take this split pin out here and release this arm. And that pushes out. Okay, so next we need to undo this here, which I think will just be a what's that, 10 or 13 mil?
I've got a 13 mil here.
Socket. Right, 13 mil. Perfect. Right, next underneath the car we need to take off this little clip. It should just be a case of screwdriver. Okay, got it off. That pushes out.
You push it out.
Okay, a bit of wiggling, managed to get it out. So you push it up to release the bottom, pull the bottom to one side and then knock it down. Obviously move this out of the way and it comes out.
Completely different, you know.
They look completely different, the same. There's a massive gap on the thing.
Do you think, hang on. I think it's in two pieces then. Now.
Maybe, I think this is missing the ball. Yeah, it's inside, you can see it. You can see it inside it.
It's like two pieces, so
Yeah,
all you needed was that round exterior piece.
You can't buy them separately.
Right.
Right, let's get this in, so same way. Okay, this is the size of the washer that was on it originally. It's pretty small and goes on here like that. This is the washer which came with a kit. Much bigger, much thicker, should hopefully do a better job.
Doing better.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, right. Let's get this washer on. Okay, that's on. Right, let's get this clip on. It's a bit fiddly. Let's push it on. It's not going on. Right, there we go, that's on. Just needed a pair of pliers just to pull it on. But yeah, it's on. Let's just get this back on. Here's our old lever. As you can see, it was actually missing the ball, which our new one had, and that isn't turning either. Also, look how worn it is. Yeah, it's very worn away. Here. Right, well there we go, that's changed. It wasn't too bad once we got the car in the air. If you found this video amusing, give us a like, click on subscribe. If you're already subscribed and you're not seeing the videos, click on the bell notification because then you'll get notified when new videos come out. I've heard that some people aren't seeing the videos, you can buy some awesome Mk2 Golf merch, which is on your screen now. Looks cool and helps the channel. And yeah, basically, that is it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another one again soon. Bye bye.